Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this used coach built by Coachmen. It's a 390 MB mid-bunk Chaparral 2016. Really nice. I mean, there's a lot involved here. We have the outside kitchen, you got the arrow level, lots of storage outside, lots of ambiance also. It's a unique looking coach. Let's go inside and show you more. All right, folks, right off the bat, right there, we walk into the mid-bunk. A nice room in the mid-bunk. Lots of storage. They built some cabinets there. Makes it very handy there. As we walk into the living room, you can see the peninsula, which is your sink and nice counter space. And behind you right there will be the microwave, oven, a pantry also. I mean, they give you kind of hutch kind of looking pantry. Nice fridge. I like the dark there in it. And then you have more storage next to the fridge, which is pretty cool. Very smart design here. Then we got the TV, right spot, across from your love seat. Your fireplace is right there. Really nice curtains. And I mean, it has a lot of like a homey kind of feeling in it. Really nice couch. I like this couch. I don't think that's the manufacturer's couch. Somebody upgraded this couch. Really nice coloring. And look at the dinette, with a table and chairs. Big guy, little guy can fit, unlike the booth where you're kind of limited. Let's go up there to the bathroom. Look at that. Really nice, big, huge. It's elbow room, folks. And into the bedroom, here we go. Walk around, a nice closet, lots of space. And Chaparral, they build more homes also, so they're smart in the floor plans. All right, folks. Again, here we go. We're outside the Chaparral. Very impressive. There's a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.